Today, in the court of law, a case has come where all the negative and positive forces are accusing COVID 19 because the entire world is facing problems because of it. On their request, a summon has been issued to COVID 19 to appear before the Honorable Court.
On the request of many people, we have called COVID-19 to the court so that he may defend his case. COVID-19 should be called to the dais.
COVID-19 हाजिर हो।
Have you read about all the allegations told by everyone in the mankind? Do you want to say something in your defense?
My lord, I should be given a chance to defend myself. I don't want to hire any advocate for myself. Please allow me.
Permission granted.
Thank you, my lord. My lord, I will like to call all the diseases of the world in the court and ask them some questions.
Permission granted.
Thank you, my lord.
मलेरिया, डेंगू, हार्ट अटैक, ब्रेन स्ट्रोक and other diseases हाजिर हों।
गीता पर हाथ रखकर कहो, तुम जो कहोगे सच कहोगे और सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं कहोगे।
जो कहेंगे सच कहेंगे, सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं कहेंगे।
My lord, I would like to defend myself and then the diseases will give their justification. My lord, as you know that the world is not suffering because of me, but the world is suffering from stress, depression, high blood pressure, diabetes, heart diseases and many more diseases. But when I joined these diseases, people started washing their hands. They became aware to keep their surrounding clean, hygienic, and everyone became health conscious. Have you heard about any death because of me? I have diverted all these diseases at the backdrop. Now, no one is coming under their clutches. Everywhere, I am the only one, the omnipresent, the omnipotent, and the omniscient. But let me tell you, I hardly take life of 1.6% of the people, and rest, everyone is cured. Just see, the doctors who were able to exploit the masses are now not able to do the same. It's all because of me.
My lord, it is true that because of this COVID, we all are under deep trouble. Every person has started doing exercises, taking turmeric milk and other ingredients to raise their immunity levels. And we all are now unemployed. You should help us for our survival. Otherwise, everyone will be able to face us and we will not stand anywhere. When people will take healthy food, where will we go, sir? हम पर रहम करो, माय बाप.
I have no more questions to ask from them. They may go.
My lord, I want to ask few persons to tell about the quantum of the fault of this COVID and the kind of damage that he has done to the society. I will like to call few of the teachers.
Permission granted.
Thank you, my lord.
Representative teacher हाजिर हो.
गीता पर हाथ रखकर कहो, जो कहोगे सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं कहोगे.
मैं कसम खाती हूँ, मैं जो कहूँगी, सच के अलावा कुछ नहीं कहूँगी.
My lord, just see their condition. Already, they were not being paid at par with the government school teachers. And now, since 50% of the parents are not paying the school fees, the school has also started giving less salary to the staff.
Yes, why not? Getting up late, cooking yummy dishes, posting on Facebook, and taking just 3 periods. Deserve half of the salary only? What's wrong in it?
Half salary? Oh, please, please don't consider my 3 periods as 3 only, okay? 3 times. It takes triple time to prepare material for online classes, okay? Other than teaching, we are keeping records of so many things. 24/7 we are doing listening with the parents and students. Isn't it time consuming? Moreover, our lessons are monitored by higher authorities also. We are not getting even household help in the form of maids too. My spouse, my children, they are also working from home. We have to manage all that also. My lord, we are working under heavy stress and pressure these days because of this COVID only.
Mr. Covert, will you like to ask any question?
Yes, my lord. I want to ask some more questions. Yes, Madam Representative. Have you ever heard of online classes before my arrival?
No, my lord.
Now, since you know that the principal of your school is observing your lessons, aren't you preparing your lessons in a better way? Aren't you dealing with the children politely with lots of love and affection that you are under the observation, under the cautious monitoring of parents and your authorities? Now, there is no corporal punishment. What else do you expect? COVID has made you the best.
What about the children, Mr. COVID? You have confined them to the 4 walls of their houses with no games, nothing to fight with, no walking and no talking. What is this? They are now frustrated enough and are eagerly waiting for their earlier freedom.
Yes, somewhat it might be true, but still, let me tell you, the children are more focused. They are not able to disturb their classes. They are not able to create any unnecessary nuisance in the class. And it is all because of the online classes.
My lord, let me call a child to the courtroom.
Permission granted.
Thank you, my lord.
Master Aditya, son of Mr. Dinesh Kumar, हाजिर हो.
Master Aditya, can you tell me about the problems that you are facing because of this naughty COVID?
Mind your language, Mr. Public Prosecutor. You don't have the right to call me naughty.
What else you are?
Order. Mr. Prosecutor, take care. You are not to spoil the environment of the court. Now proceed further.
Yes, Aditya. What are your feelings? Just shell them out.
Life has totally changed for me and almost for every child like me. I feel so trapped within the four walls of my house. No fun, no outing, no social life. I feel so depressed. I miss all my friends, my classmates, my teachers, my school. My Lord, I want my freedom back. I request you to help us. Please send this COVID back.
Order. Do you want to ask more questions?
No, my lord.
No, no more questions.
My next allegation is on Mr. COVID. My lord, this COVID is not aware of the seriousness of the problem. Many persons have lost their jobs and even they have nothing to eat. How will they afford to pay the fees of the private schools? It is because of Mr. COVID that the future of many children is at stake.
My lord, they should think positively and get their children admitted in government schools. Instead of fighting with the owners of private school, they should fight with the teachers of the government school. When they will protest there, the teachers of the government school will automatically be more active and will start teaching properly and becoming more conscious. Instead of thanking me as I am improving the education system of the country, they are unnecessarily blaming me, my lord. They have made so many Abhivavak songs, and if they are so eager to do any kind of social service, they should help the government in raising the standard of government schools and improving the total education system.
Don't act clever, Mr. COVID. You are just twisting every problem and want to pose as if you are the well-wisher of the society. I will like to call the owner of a manufacturing unit whose production has gone to almost zero. His task force has gone to their native villages and the GDP of our country has gone down drastically. It is all because of this cunning COVID, my lord.
सेठ भगवान दास शुगर मिल ऑनर हाजिर हो।
गीता पर हाथ रखकर कसम खाइए कि आप जो कहेंगे सच कहेंगे और सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं कहेंगे।
मैं गीता पर हाथ रख के कसम खाता हूँ, जो कहूँगा, सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं कहूँगा।
My lord, permit me to question to the so-called manufacturer.
Permission granted.
Thank you, my lord. Mr. Bhagwan Das, how are you managing now when your labor has gone to their villages? Are you comfortable?
We are struggling hard as the labor cost has gone up. The remaining labor is asking double of the wages.
What about the migrant laborers who have gone back to their native villages? Have you thought about them, Mr. COVID?
The government will take care and will start creating jobs in villages, my lord. The roads, the electricity and the basic amenities in the villages will also improve.
My lord, this COVID is crossing all the limits. I wish if I could finish him right here.
You, Mr. Public Prosecutor, what is your power? Don't you know that the whole world is after me and I have crossed 6 crores and still you people couldn't get even a vaccine ready to counter me. You better be under control, otherwise...
What otherwise?
Order. Mr. Prosecutor, do not cross the limits and don't dare to take law in your hand. The law will do the justice. Now, Mr. COVID, will you like to call anyone else?
Yes, my lord. I will like to call the air.
He is just passing the time, my lord. How can we call the air?
present here, my lord. I am present everywhere and I am listening to all the discussions here. What do you want to say?
Miss Eyre, very pleased to welcome you. How are you, madam? Have you noticed as how fresh you are now? Where has all pollution gone, which was because of traffic and the other gases? Have you realized how pure, clean and fresh you are?
My lord, honestly speaking, I am thankful to Mr. COVID for giving me a new life. This society is too cruel with me, and it is because of improper use of vehicles, cutting of trees, burning of waste of crops that I am polluted. I got a new life when there was a complete lockdown. I wish the humans should understand their responsibility, and if they have no other way except to cut trees, they should plant 100 for one. This is required for my survival and theirs too. My lord, it is same with sky, water, fire and earth. We all enjoyed the lockdown period together. Even the water was telling that his river Ganga could not be clean in spite of spending multi-crores of rupees. But this dear COVID has done this cleaning.
My lord, the life cannot run like this. Please ask this COVID to go back.
What do you say, Mr. COVID?
My lord, I am ready to go, but I have a few conditions. I want the entire mankind to fulfill these conditions.
Proceed.
My lord, they should stop killing animals. They should stop excess feeding to their senses. And they should shed selfishness. When the mankind will learn the lesson of living and let the others live. When this will happen in the whole world, I promise I will definitely go back. I will go back, sir, and let the mankind live peacefully.
For the first time in the history, I am directing the case to one of the social workers and educationists because all other problems will be solved except the academic excellence, human excellence and environmental excellence of our children. It appears from the debate that this COVID has come to teach a lesson to the mankind. His objective is pure. He wants to teach this generation a lesson so that the future generation may change their ways and means and stop polluting the nature for the selfish gains. We will connect online with the principal of DC Montessori Senior Secondary Smart School, Mrs. Renu Verma, to share her valuable points on this case.
Thank you, Your Honor, for giving an opportunity to express my views. I have been listening to the arguments and counter-arguments. Your Honor, I agree with COVID. It is impossible to change the elders because selfishness has gone down deep in everyone's blood. Looking at the gravity of the situation, we can try and change the mindset of children. We, as elders, will have to work very hard. The teachers and the parents together will have to save them from getting academically and morally bankrupt. It is our duty to make them good as well as great by imparting education as well as educate. That is, imparting human values from the early childhood. Start early, drive slowly and reach safely is the key formula here too. My Lord, the teacher community seeks cooperation from the parents. The formula is 3P, which implies purity, patience and perseverance. Parents need to witness performance of teachers during online classes to change their mindset that online classes are just a time pass. They should cooperate with schools, and instead of being critical, they must show confidence and patience. They should use love as the means and medium, and fighting with each other will not help. Let us share responsibility in housekeeping course and start taking pure immunity building food instead of junk food. We should have good vibrations of bhajans at home instead of sitting in front of TV and watching wasteful content. We should make our immunity strong so that no virus is able to do any harm to us. I am sure, sir, that by preserving ancient values and using modern techniques, we will be able to bid permanent farewell to COVID. There is no use fighting with COVID. Let us think positively and follow the master, that is our inner consciousness. Face the devil, fight till end and finish the game. The game of COVID pandemic. Your Honor, I rest my case here. Thank you, Your Honor.
After listening to the plea of both ends, I'll appreciate the cleverness of COVID-19, as how cleverly he has defended himself by showing his positive aspect, ignoring the negative impact and loss incurred by him on mankind. Working continuously on the computer has affected the eyesight of teachers and children. Sitting at one place and eating without exercise has given birth to the problems of obesity and cervical. Confining to four walls of the house, children are going into deep depression. Lot of people have lost their jobs and even the economy of every country has gone down. He must be punished. He should be starved till death. Now onward, everyone is cautioned that no one will be feeding him and inviting him to their house. Total social boycott is to be adhered to. Use a mask, keep social distance, and do proper washing of your hand at regular intervals. Give employment to the needy if you can afford. Be vocal for local. Purchase goods prepared for our own country. Stop purchasing the foreign goods. Help government by contributing to the PM Relief Fund, if you can. Teachers are nation builders, and they are to counsel the depressed children and parents too. They need to alert the nation through value-based education and guide mankind how to punish the COVID-19 of his ill-doing. Starving COVID till death as hanging will be a light punishment. And he who at present is considering himself the boss should be taught a lesson that no one is supreme. Let us join hands and come together to fight against this evil power. The court is adjourned.